There are two ways to access Microsoft Social Engagement for the first time after the product has been purchased. The first way is to go to the Microsoft Online portal at login.microsoftonline.com. Enter your username and password to sign in. Once you have successfully signed in to Office 365, click the icon in the top left to see the list of all your Office 365 services. If Microsoft Social Engagement has been provisioned successfully, you will see the Social Engagement service in this list. Click Social Engagement to open it in a new browser tab. The second way to access Microsoft Social Engagement is to click a link from the email you received after Social Engagement was provisioned. To get started with setting up your social engagement solution, click the main navigation, select Settings, and then Solution Defaults. Here you can set the defaults based on your organizational policies and needs. We can set the name, which provides a name for your Microsoft Social Engagement solution, the screen language, which is the default screen language for your organization. Individual users have the option to change this to a language of their preference. The default time frame setting, which sets the default time frame for analytics. The search languages option, which allows you to select the languages you want to make available in the search topics. The search topic default setting, which controls the sources and languages that are selected by default for new search topics. And the labels setting, which will be used by your organization to label posts in Social Center. Your solution is now ready to be made available to users within your organization. To add a user to Microsoft Social Engagement, you will need to go back to the Microsoft Online portal. Click the Users link in the left navigation and then Active Users. To add a new user, click the plus icon and provide the details of the new user in the dialog box. To assign a license to a user, make sure you select the Microsoft Social Engagement box under Select Licenses for this user. Finally, click the Create button to add the new user to Microsoft Social Engagement. You will be shown the temporary password assigned to the user, and the temporary password will also be sent to them in an email. Once the user is successfully added in the Microsoft Online portal, they will appear in the active users list. Then, you will need to assign the appropriate role to the user in Microsoft Social Engagement. To do this, go back to Microsoft Social Engagement and select the option Invited Users to see the newly added user. It may take a few minutes for the new user to show up in Social Engagement. Click Edit next to the newly added user and then assign the appropriate role to that user and click Save. If your organization will be using the new Social Center, you may need to set up organizational streams. The user is now ready to start using Microsoft Social Engagement. For more information, please visit the Microsoft Social Engagement Help and Training site or watch other videos in this playlist.